What is up, everybody? So in the wide world of wacky court decisions from Italy, we have another. And this one involves Amanda Knox once again. This news just broke a few minutes ago. This comes from CNN.com, and I will link it in the description below. Amanda Knox's slander conviction upheld in case related to Meredith Kercher's murder. An Italian court has upheld Amanda Knox's final remaining conviction stemming from the murder of her British roommate Meredith Kercher in 2007. Amanda Knox was convicted in 2009 of slander for falsely accusing Patrick Lumumba of murdering Meredith Kercher. An appellate court in Florence, Italy upheld that conviction on Wednesday, just a few minutes ago. Amanda Knox was previously cleared of Meredith Kercher's murder by the Italian Supreme Court in 2015. The two-judge, six-jury panel with two alternates reached their decision after an emotional Knox told the court that she was sorry. She did not try harder to retract the accusation, and that she was a younger person in an existential crisis when she accused him. I did not know who the assassin was, she told the court. In 2007, during an interrogation, Amanda Knox, then 20, accused her then boss, Patrick Lumumba, of the murder, which led to his arrest and 2-week incarceration. Amanda Knox signed 2 statements prepared by police regarding this accusation. She later wrote a handwritten note to cast doubt on her accusation. She was convicted of slandering Lumumba and sentenced to 3 years in prison, which she had already served awaiting her murder trial in 2009, which led to her first conviction. In 2023, the European Court of Human Rights ruled that her rights were violated during the interrogation that led to her accusation against Lumumba, which compelled Italy's Supreme Court to order a retrial at the appellate court level. The trial that concluded on Wednesday was a retrial of her slander charge. Amanda Knox was actually in the courtroom today in Italy. It's insanely brave of her to go back to the country where she was wrongfully convicted in the first place, let alone go back inside a courtroom. In my opinion, the Italian court is just embarrassed because of everything that happened in that case. Amanda Knox was coerced. The police, the investigators, the interrogators did all kinds of horrendous things to Amanda Knox during that interrogation. She was young. She was scared. She was in a foreign country of which at the time she didn't even really speak the language. Could you imagine being in that situation? Again, you're supposed to be able to trust police. They're supposed to do the right things. But often, as you've seen, with how many wrongful convictions there are out there, that is not always the case. And that was not the case in Amanda Knox's situation. She was scared, so she said the first name that came to her mind, and that was her boss, Patrick Lumumba. Unfortunately for him, he had nothing to do with the situation, but he only had to spend 2 weeks in jail. 2 weeks too long, sure, but Amanda Knox spent years in jail for the same thing, for a crime she did not commit. The fact that Italy is now embarrassed, in my opinion, the court there embarrassed by what happened those years ago, that's the only reason they are upholding Amanda Knox's slander conviction. What do you think? Let me know. Leave some comments below. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you again soon.